Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to teach you how to factory reset these two guys. Alright, on the other hand, this guy's a little bit different. Just a little bit. Because we don't have to hold on to the action button. So that's not the muting one, it's this one. So again, make sure it's powered on. Just hold on to it for about 15 seconds or so.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
And that's it. So you guys would see that ring. It's factory reset. That was a lot faster than the other one, and it's that easy. So setup mode means, again, you guys have to pair it up. If you don't want to pair it up, it's time to just disconnect it. That way it's turned off. You guys can go on and return it or do whatever you need to do. So again, if you don't want to set this up again, just returning it, you're done with this video. That's it. Make sure to leave a comment, a like, share this video. But if you do want to set it up again, and you just did this just to make sure maybe something was wrong with it, just get your iPad or your phone or whatever you guys have. And with Amazon Alexa app, once you turn it on, it should detect it right beside. We can just agree and then just set it up all over again. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.